Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open Windows Terminal as administrator on Windows 11. For this video, I will use three easy methods and you can follow either. First one method is through a start menu. For that, click on this one start button and type here terminal. In the search results, right click on the terminal app and select run as administrator. In case Windows prompts, click yes to open Windows Terminal app on your Windows 11 PC. Next one method is through run dialog box. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard. Here you need to type wt.exe and then press Ctrl Shift plus Enter on the keyboard. In case Windows prompts, click yes to open Windows Terminal application as administrator. You can find the required commands and details in this video description. And third one method, that is easy one, is through a power user menu option. For that, right click on this one, a start button, and here select terminal admin option. Press yes in case Windows prompts. This will also open Windows Terminal as administrator on your Windows 11 machine. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.